It's always raining here. Not water, but memories. Street lamps flicker like they've seen too much. Shadows move like they've got somewhere to be. And me? I'm stuck in a loop. Every alley whispers secrets I never asked to hear. Clocks tick sideways, mirrors lie. I lit a cigarette once, and it screamed. Haven't smoked since. They say there's a door that leads out of this place, but it only opens when you forget what you're looking for. Funny thing is, I think I already walked through. And I'm still here,